There's a moody sky above the hills in Spain this morning. We are moving on today. We just found this little walk here with all these lovely olive trees. We also forgot that the clocks went forward, and I wondered why time had ticked on so much this morning. Then we remembered. What did we forget this morning?
The hour.
Yeah, clock's gone forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, why is it 10:30? My watch says half. Oh yes, clock's changed. Look at the moody sky. It's been raining on and off. Hence why we've got coats on. You can see how low the cloud is. Over the hills. Just having a little walk amongst these olive trees before we move on. Ah. See, we didn't make it to Italy, but we still made it to a tiny little olive grove. It's cute, isn't it? It's really pretty. Bear with, I'll watch you out. Oh, that felt a bit easy getting out than it did coming in.
Yeah, it's normally the same, isn't it?
Right, so our last stop in Spain. We're off to France. There we go. And as you can see, it's been raining. That's the first bit of rain we've had in ages, actually, isn't it?
Yeah, there's not a lot, to be honest. Too wet, was it?
No. Oh, see that squirrel there? Red squirrel. Right.
Alright, we're down to the bottom and then that turn right, 821. Stop for a little wee stop. Not for us, obviously. That's attractive. Tandem poo.
campsite in the Pyrenees still, and we're just off. So this is our first experience of walking to a supermarket. I've just got off, so I'll look with us. Almost. Well, yeah, because when do you ever walk to a supermarket?
No, we never do, no.
No, look at the clouds over there on the mountains. You don't have to duck. So yeah, so we're walking down to, apparently 17 minutes away is a Lidl and a Intermarché.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do this morning. In between, hopefully, look at that sky. Absolutely pelted it down all night, didn't it?
Yeah, proper
Like
biblical.
you wouldn't believe. Oh, I can see Matilda. I'll get some shots of her.
I thought we were going to have trees down this morning.
Yeah, it was horrendous. Just see Matilda back there. It's a nice campsite. It's really secure. There was a massive rugby pitch on behind us last night, and partying went on till after midnight, but it was fine, wasn't it? It was really pretty. I'll see you in Lidl. We're diverting quickly to Gambert. See if we can get some dog poo bags. Not that the French pick up the dog poo, but you know, we'll keep the English.
Just need a shovel so we can fling it on the street.
Oh, look at all these plants, and I can't buy any. Shelley and Claire, look at all these. This is a nice little garden centre actually. It's got a good selection.
Find the gorilla.
Oh yeah, watch the gorilla. How much are they? There we are. So 17 euros for that mother-in-law's tongue. It's a bit pricey. Oh, there's a spear as well. How much is she? 50, oh god, 15 and a half.
We've got 3 of those.
IKEA, yeah, that is quite pricey actually. But then garden centres generally are, aren't they? Oh, look at all these beauties. Oh, that's nice.
Really sensible.
Oh, I like her. Oh no, I might have to buy a plant or two. Found a monkey mask, Claire. 22.95 euros. So that's not bad actually. What, about 20 quid for 21 quid for that's a pretty big monkey mask. There's another one for you, Claire. I found you some terrariums. That one there is 29.95. It's cute. I don't know what you know what that little plant is. There's quite a few of them.
All different.
Oh, they're all 30, just short of 30 euros.
Oh, it's got a fern in it.
Oh yeah. Oh, she's nice. Although I must say they're nowhere near as nice as Skirt Lush terrariums. I will pop another link on. We do not need to buy any more beds. Do not buy any more beds. Walk past the beds. I'm actually just after some poo bags, so that'll be interesting. Do not buy any more beds.
No bed.
Oh my god, look what we found on the way to... We've not even got to Lidl yet. We went to the garden centre, looked at some plants.
Found our favourite bakery.
Got a bit sad that couldn't buy any. Look at this. It's our favourite boulangerie. So now, before we shop, coffee and a pan of raisin. That'll do.
Again.
Is it worth it? Unfortunately, the coffee machine was broken, so no coffee. But we did get plenty of bread. That will last us a while.
Oh, good.
We opted for Intermarché instead. We might give Lidl a try, but we're limited on carrying things back on our 15-minute walk, so and we like Intermarché. So we want to see what's inside. It's nice being back in France. Oh, I much prefer a French supermarket than a Spanish one, sorry. Shopped. We have backpacks on. And bags. 4 bags in total, 2 backpacks. 4 bags. And
It's
2.
about to hoof it down.
It is about to hoof it down. We're going to get wet, but it's only a 10-minute walk. We'll be alright. Oh, we were doing so well. And look at the state of us.
Wet
Absolutely
jeans. Through to
sodden. It absolutely hammered it down. But we've shopped. We're back. And now we're going to have a shower. taking a 20-minute walk to come here. I'm so excited. Might need to get a basket. Get a little chick, as well as all of the rabbits. These are really pretty, you see flowers on. You get white ones and dark ones and milk ones. Very big ones. Easter stuff. Oh gosh. This is not the place to be when I'm trying to lose weight. Got your backpack ready?
Yeah. Oh, 70% dark chocolate with creme brulee inside.
Oh my gosh.
This is what we remember. So we've got the rosé, Ferrero Rocher in the middle, but darkened chocolate in the
Raspberry.
tiramisu. Strawberry pavlova, raspberry pavlova. It's exciting, isn't it?
It's just beyond words. That's not a bad view walking back from the supermarket, is it? Mark's putting up the little screen house. Look at Vespa. Vespa! Good girl. I know, yeah, you can stay there. We didn't just buy chocolate, we also stopped. Bought this for a new toy. Some food bags. Oh, big bag of fruit and veg from a lovely little local fruit shop. I'm just going to chop that melon up and we'll have it for lunch. God, the weather's all over the place. We've been sat outside in 28 degrees this week, and then for the past 2 days it's rained. We decided to stay here a little bit longer. One, initially the weather was quite nice, and then just because I wanted to really. We are moving tomorrow. We're off to Lord's for a few days to just outside actually, so we can walk in and visit the city, which is supposed to be quite magical. So, yeah, right now, it's pretty grim. What are you looking at, Bess? You ready? We're on the move. We're in. I'm going to start getting ready to move. Moving straight in. Can't express some things when you get left behind, so just be in his bed, ready and waiting. Best way. That noise is filling the tanks, it's not me. Just got to take the starling down. Move off the levellers and we are ready to move.